Dash-ing through English. Mastering the N-dash in informal writing. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a small but powerful punctuation mark, the N-dash. More specifically, we'll be focusing on its usage in informal writing. It may seem like a small detail, but proper punctuation can truly elevate your English proficiency. So, let's dash into it. First things first, let's define our topic of interest. The N-dash is a punctuation mark that's slightly wider than a hyphen but narrower than an M-dash. In formal writing, it's often used to indicate ranges or connections, but today, we're more interested in its role in informal writing. In informal writing, the N-dash plays a slightly different role. It's often used as a substitute for other punctuation marks, like commas, colons, or parentheses, to add a casual, conversational tone to the text. Let's take a look at some examples. I just can't wait to visit New York, the city that never sleeps. My best friend, you remember Sarah, right? Just got a new job. Notice how the N-dash is used to add a pause or an aside to the sentence. It gives the text a more conversational, relaxed feel, which is perfect for informal writing. Tip 1. Always ensure there's a space before and after the N-dash when used in place of a comma or parentheses in informal writing. It helps maintain readability. Tip 2. Be mindful of overuse. Even though the N-dash can give your writing a conversational tone, using too many can make the text feel disjointed or confusing. And that's a wrap on using the N-dash in informal writing. Remember, mastering small details like the N-dash can really boost your English skills and make your writing more versatile. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to experiment with your punctuation. See you in our next lesson. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep using the N-dash in your informal writing, and soon it'll become second nature. Happy learning, everyone!